How we doing, everybody? Back here at Dash Trucks, we got another walk around video. If you want to stay up to date on our inventory, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. We post walk around videos for every single one of our listed vehicles here, so make sure you subscribed. Make sure you have the bell notifications turned on so you're the first to know, because these are going fast. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. This is a 2010 Chevrolet Express 3500. It's a 12-foot box truck with a ramp. It had one previous owner. It has 96,896 miles, so really low on miles. It has been fully reconned, and what we mean by that is that we've gone through the suspension, transmission, braking components, the engine components as well, make sure that everything works to a crisp. And I like to describe this thing as a simple and efficient work truck that's reliable with plenty of power, with that 6.0 liter flex fuel V8 engine that has gone inside, which we'll check out here in a little bit. But let's go ahead and walk you guys through all the goodies that this thing has. Starting off with the tires here, you have a 139-inch wheelbase. We'll take a look under here. I know lots of folks from out of state, out of Denver, Colorado, are worried about rust issues, especially if you're in the east or further south, but up here it's definitely not as big of an issue. Dual rear wheel drive. All right, here's your ramp. Checking out the inside, you do have kickboards on the bottom there. 2 sets of E-tracks on both sides. Up on the roof, you do have an aluminum roof with a dome light. All right, let's go ahead and move on. A roll-up door. And then this is a Supreme box, if you were wondering. All right, again, it's a 12-foot box. Like I said earlier, you do have a flex fuel engine. It's also a 6.0, so it's packing more power than you'd need there. Leaf suspension, as you can see. All right, let's go ahead and check out the interior. Here we are, very clean interior. No rips or tears on these seats. Let's go ahead and hop on inside and start her up. All right, no lights on the dashboard. Here's your 96,897 miles. All right. So, of course, you got your radio.
Over 200 played in this room.
Boo, where's the music? Cool. So that's your radio, tow haul button. That'll show up right over here. And then you do have cruise control. And that would be all for the features. As I said earlier, it's a very simple vehicle, but that's what makes it so reliable. You do have manual windows, so you don't have the power windows. But again, that's one less thing that can go bad electrically with this vehicle. So that's one thing about simplicity, is that it's reliable. All right, your 12-volt ports are going to be down here, one over there, one over there. Let's go ahead and check out that engine. All right, as I said earlier, you do have that 6.0 liter V8 flex fuel engine coupled with a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. All the filters and fluids have been changed if deemed necessary. This thing is just sounding amazing. Let's go ahead and get you guys a listen. That'll wrap it up for today's 2010 Chevrolet Express 3500 12-foot box truck with that ramp. If you'd like to find out some more information about this vehicle, I'll leave a short information snippet down in the description below, so make sure you can check that out. I'll also leave the link to our website. That's what I was trying to, that's the word I was trying to find. I'll leave the link to our website so you can check out the full listing in all of its glory. And then our phone number is also going to be down there if you want to give us a call, text us, talk about financing. You want to see different pictures, different videos, we could definitely go ahead and provide that for you guys. All right, well, thank you all very much for watching. drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check out the other videos we have here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, guys, on the next one, we'll see ya.